Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Apple developer account. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Apple developer account and then go to the first link. Now press on account and then go to create your Apple account if you don't have already an account. And then all you need to do is follow these steps. So create an Apple account, Apple ID, go to Apple's account, sign up, and create an Apple account if you don't already have one. Turn on two-factor authentication for that account. Decide what you are enrolling as: individual, personal, apps, or organization, company, school. Prepare what you need, especially for organizations. For organization, Apple requires a DUNS number to verify your legal entity. Start enrollment. Two options. Option A, Apple Developer App on iPhone, iPad. Enroll from the app. Option B, web enrollment. Enroll on Apple Developer's website, this website. And then sign in and complete the enrollment form. Provide your details and organization details if applicable. Apple will verify your identity, organization as part of enrollment. Pay the annual fee. Apple Developer Program is typically $99 per year or local equivalent. Finish setup. Once approved, you can sign in to the Apple Developer Portal and start creating certificates, app IDs, and submitting apps, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.